How are you babies doing? I'm doing good. So I hope you dolls like my Billie Holiday inspired hairstyle dolls. I cannot wait till the new Billie Holiday movie comes out on Hulu. It's played by Andrea Day. I'm so excited for it. I was inspired by Billie Holiday, so I thought I'd do me like a cute Billie hairstyle. This looks very Billie Holiday to me, so I figured I would do that. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Pinup Monroe. I do pinup hauls, tutorials, retro, vintage, any type of videos for hair and makeup. That's the niche on this channel, so please like and subscribe, and please turn on the notification bell if you guys want to see more videos. And I am also wanting to let you guys know another disclaimer that a special friend on my Instagram, she has given me these flowers. I'm so happy. She is a small business. She's Latina owned. If you guys don't know who she is, her thing is right here. I'm sorry, I'm getting my words mixed up. Her page is right here, so if you guys want to go to that, I will put all her info in the description box below. And yes, I am hoping you guys love this Billie Holiday inspired makeup look and hair and jewelry. This looks very Billie Holiday. When I did my research on her, this looks like something she would wear or similar to what she would wear. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright Vixens, now first I am taking down my hair. It has already been combed and brushed out. Now I am sectioning it at the top, because the top crown part is where we will put our bang. Now I'm giving myself some quick pin curls in the back. And if you dolls want to see this tutorial more in depth, please go to my 1940s vintage hair series. You will see it in depth how I do my curls with a curling wand. Now I'm taking the curls down section by section. Try not to rush so you don't snag your hair. Now that all my curls are down, I'm sectioning the pieces and I'm putting them at the top of my head. Now we're going to take our paddle brush and we are going to brush our hair down. Try not to brush out the curls, dolls, and make sure you go by sections. And like I said, if you want to see a more in-depth, then check out my 1940s hairstyle video. But yes, make sure you brush it downward and do not fight with your curls. Make sure you go with the curl. Now I'm putting some bobby pins behind my ear to tuck the back of my hair, dolls, and just setting it all into place. I'm also taking my duckbill clips and I'm putting them around my head and making sure that it has like that little swoop that goes up and over when you put the duckbill clips there. So that is what I'm doing. And make sure that you go around your hair evenly and make sure that it all stays into place. Now the fun parts. Now we are taking this donut, and you can get this anywhere, dolls. You can get this at the dollar store, any hair supply. I'm cutting it in half, and this will be our bang. Now I'm taking my duckbill clips down. I'm taking all my duckbill clips down, and I'm making sure that I keep the curl. Now I'm taking my paddle brush and I'm brushing it all forward, under and forward. I try not to brush out the curls. Now I'm pushing my hair back, flipping it back, and now I'm going to take my donut and I'm going to put this and pin it down on my crown of my head. And it just takes a few bobby pins, dolls, but you're gonna, need to make sure it's secure all in the front and on the sides. Now, Vixens, I am brushing it down slowly. First I put some hairspray on it, and now I'm taking my teasing brush and I'm brushing it down slowly. And then on top of that, while I brush the sides, I'm taking it bunch in my hand and I am slowly tucking it under the donut, if that makes sense. So I'm doing it by sections. Do not rush this because it will look very sloppy. If you do, just take your time and just go by sections. And in between those sections, I am using my Got to Be Glue hairspray and I am brushing it and pinning it with bobby pins in sections. Now I put some netting on the donut, on the bang, and I am patting it down and just making it into the shape I want it to be. I kind of don't want it too thick or too flat. Now I'm taking those pink duckbill clips and I'm taking them down and I'm giving myself a little brush out with my fingers, kind of just going through the curls with my fingers, little by little sections. And I'm taking my paddle brush and I'm just making sure I brush the little curve part where it can flip so it can give that 1940s classic Billie Holiday look. And I noticed in the Billie Holiday movie that her hair was like this. Usually it's up, but I wanted to do the down, half up bang hairstyle. So after you're done putting it the way you wanted to put it, you know, and just molding it the way you want, then your look should be complete. Now I'm taking my flowers by Casa de Flores, and they were given to me by Casa de Flores. Thank you for giving them to me. I adore them. They are the whole Billie Holiday collection. It took everything in me not to wear all these flowers, but I wanted to wear a bunch. I'm wearing the gardenias, and then I'm wearing the other flowers, and I'm making sure I put them mostly in the front like how Billie had them, and I'm trying not to mess up my bang. But yes, I'm making sure I put them enough around to frame my face. And voila, this is your Billie Holiday inspired hair with the flowers. I hope you vixens enjoyed. I did put them on the other side of my hair, so if you're just wondering. But yes, thank you so much, dolls, for watching, and I will see you dolls again soon. Bye, loves.